We've talked a lot about Android 12L on this YouTube channel. We've talked a lot about how it will affect not just devices like the Z Fold line and other tablets, but also how it will affect devices like Surface Duo. And a lot of people have pushed back on this, and they've said Android 12L is for tablets. It's not for dual screen devices. And I think today I can illustrate quite well how that is at least partially wrong. It's wrong for more reasons than this, but it's at least wrong for this exact reason. There is an app called Sync for Reddit. It is literally just a Reddit application that you can find in the Google Play Store. And this app has just been updated to take on a dual pane view. Now, I can already hear you saying, Shane, this has nothing to do with Android 12L, but it kind of does, because a lot of the push in Android 12L is to move to a dual pane setup on tablets, to take advantage of the fact that a tablet is a larger screen, to stop stretching apps across a large screen and to start actually taking advantage of that real estate. So if we go to the Google Play Store and you search for Sync for Reddit, you're going to look for the dev version, because this feature is not in the regular version, although it will be coming very soon. It is in the dev version for now. You're going to have to buy this. It is $4.99, so $5 United States money dollars. Purchase this application, and I'll show you in just a moment exactly what it does. But first, let me illustrate exactly what the problem is here. So let's open up Twitter, and let's span Twitter, which effectively is like running Twitter on a tablet, right? Because now the Duo is effectively acting like a tablet. There's no partition in the middle. The app is just expanded. And this sucks, right? This is just terrible. This is just Twitter stretched out. And instead of, having a better setup where maybe you've got your latest tweets here and your DMs over here, or maybe you can customize different panes, you just get stretched out big Twitter. And look at that ad. Like, that ad is you can't even see all of it on a tablet. And this, Duo, when you're spanned, is basically like an iPad mini. What a terrible experience using an app on this is. So let's go away, and now let's launch Sync for Reddit, and hope nothing weird pops up here. I'm not signed in on here, so whatever might pop up is just what's on Reddit. This has nothing to do with my preferences. It's just what is on the front page of Reddit. So this is normal, right? This is a normal phone. It's pretty simple. But now, if you go into your settings and you click on tablet and you enable tablet mode, dual pane landscape, and then you span the application to make it launch tablet mode, you already see here a dual panel setup. And now let's simply pick a post. So now on the left, you have your list of posts. On the right, you have the thing you're looking at with the comments, all there in line. You can be looking at comments, looking at whatever's going on, and scrolling through the other side just fine. Let's click on another one here. Let's go to a Walmart burning down, or a Walmart distribution center. Same thing. You can see all the comments. You can see the post. Now, the only place where this needs work is that if I go to click on one of these videos now, it will full screen it. And you may think this is good, but it isn't, because on Surface Duo, there is a hinge down the middle, so that is a little bit annoying. So I would say that if you're going to watch a video, you're probably going to want to unspan the thing to watch the video and then span it back. I know that's annoying. It's a problem. Maybe that will get better as we go along, but I think all in all, this is a dual pane setup that largely works really, really well on Surface Duo. Or heck, you could even just let the video play over here and do comments over here. You can do it that way if you wanted to. And a bigger point of this is that this is not intended for Surface Duo. The developers for Sync for Reddit, they weren't thinking about Surface Duo when they made this. It just so happens that Duo, being a split screen device, and this app being set up for tablets to run in a dual pane setup, coincidentally works pretty well on Surface Duo. This is an accidental instance of supporting Surface Duo, and you're going to see more of this. You're actually probably going to see a ton more of this as Android 12L does make this more of the standard, where apps, instead of just being, like I just showed you, crappy big Twitter stretched across the screen, that's the current standard. That is the current standard, and it's garbage. The new standard is probably going to be dual pane setup. So life for Surface Duo users is probably about to considerably improve, as well as people with other folding tablets like Folds and Find Ins and all these sorts of things. This is good news. This is a harbinger of things to come. and it's something that I'm quite happy about. Let me know if you want to check it out. I'll put a link to this app in the description down below. If you do want to check it out, it'll be there for you. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.